Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can create quote on Bokio accounting software. To issue a quote from Bokio accounting software, we need to go to invoicing section and there is a subsection called quotes. To create a quote, we need to click on this button and we need to fill in fields now. Firstly, we have an option to still edit details about our own company. Click on edit and update details, for example, address details if required. Select a customer or add a completely new customer by clicking on create new button. I will select my customer from my drop-down list. Next section is items and services. So in items and services, I can edit currency and also I can amend if amount will exclude VAT or include VAT. Now to add a quote row, I need to click on add a new row and I need to select an item from my items list. So in my case, this is health and safety book. I can select a quantity, for example 10, at the price of 120 and click add to a quote. Okay, so there is a line added. If I need to provide additional details excluding where amounts would be not counted towards a quote, I need to click on add text instead of add new row. So if I add text, I can add that return forms emailed separately and click add to quote. So this text line will actually not contribute to total amount, so it will be added under this line as an information. If I need to add another row, click on add new row and select your next items, maybe delivery charges if required. If you need to create a new item, click on create new and you can add details like delivery, quantity. I can select an unit of measure. So for example, I will select pieces, price $5.99. No VAT, an item type, it is service in my case, and I will save as item and click add to quote. So now delivery charge is added there as well. Under additional information, you can provide additional information, for example, selecting delivery address or maybe quoting order reference. Select one which is applicable to you if you want to use or add additional information. Plus, we can attach files, for example, like return forms as I mentioned about in the comments. Select quote date, so in my case quote date is 15 and it's valid till 22nd. A last step is we can select delivery method. Either we can email to customer directly this quote or we can download as PDF on print. So in my case I will email to customer and I will quote as a link and also attach as PDF. You have options save as a draft this quote, preview as PDF or send and publish. So now this is a quote, how it looks like, and it has been sent out to Lucy already. We have an options, we can edit this quote, we can copy or email quote, as well as download and delete this quote. So this is the way how we can create quotes on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.